Para tumuloy na tayo dyan kasi turn ko na, nakikita ko na si
Yeah, I think
moderator
it's-
parang
yeah, kasi I think,
ano baka sabihin
Ay,
niya,
oh,
hindi ako
sige,
marunong ng
moderator,
moderator, sabi niya, ang bait-bait ko.
Kaya hindi, kanina pa ako malapit na kayo magsabong,
kasalanan
nararamdaman ko na kayo
kasalanan
dalawa
namin.
So,
Ako na magtatanong.
Yeah.
Let's go
Okay.
to that point. Okay?
Yeah, let's start with you,
The Supreme Court
Attorney Libayan,
being the final arbiter
5
of
minutes, sorry.
constitutional matters. Can you explain that to me?
That they're the final interpreter of the Constitution, but they only can do that if there's grave abuse of discretion.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Because you're
so
talking
ibig
about
sabihin,
co-equal branch of
okay,
government.
wait. So ibig sabihin, sinabi mo they can only do that if there is grave abuse of discretion. Ibig sabihin ba dito
Yes.
walang grave abuse of discretion?
Wala.
Wala.
Kasi grave abuse of discretion means that you violated the Constitution that you swore to. And did they violate that Constitution? No. They followed it to the letter. And
Okay.
even when we talk, lumalabas naman dito na obvious na sinundan nila yung Constitution.